Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup and operation of your Superlift RDO-7W garage door opener. We'll cover the buttons, what to touch and what not to, how to code and delete remotes, how to disengage and engage the motor to open the door by hand, how to use the key lock, and how to lock the buttons. The buttons are located on the bottom of the motor. Press up to open the door, press up again to pause, and down to close the door. It's important not to touch the set button alone, as doing so may require support to fix. We'll cover how to use the set button safely to lock and unlock the buttons in this video. The code button is for coding new remotes, which we'll cover in the next chapter. To code a new remote, press the code button. On the remote, press the button you wish to code twice. The yellow light will flash and the remote is programmed successfully. Test the remote to check the door opens. Repeat these steps for all other remotes. The opener can store up to 20 remote codes. To delete all remotes, press and hold the code button for at least 8 seconds. When the yellow light stops flashing, all codes are now deleted. In case of a power outage, you can disengage the motor to open the door by hand. To disengage, first ensure the key is in the unlock position. Firmly pull the red disengage cord until you hear a click. You can now open and close the door by hand. To re-engage the motor, firmly pull the green engage cord until you hear a click. Your garage door motor is now engaged and ready to operate with the remote. If the motor is outside, for security you can use the key to lock the engage and disengage cords. Turn the key to the desired position. If the motor is outside, for security you can lock the buttons so your door can only be operated using the remote. To lock the buttons, press and hold the down and set button together for 4 seconds until you hear a beep. The buttons are now locked and the door can only be opened with the remote. To unlock the buttons with your remote, open your garage door to over halfway. Press and hold the down and set button until you hear a beep. The buttons are now unlocked. To unlock the buttons without a remote, make sure the key is in the unlock position. Disengage the motor by pulling the red cord. Lift your garage door manually to over halfway. Press and hold the down and set button until you hear a beep. The buttons are now unlocked. Re-engage the motor by pulling the green cord. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.